I was raised by two different cultures, Persian and Southern, mysterious Arabic music and good old Southern blues, Papa chanting, "Oh, my brown-eyed girl," family reunions, laughing, food, and cards, then swing dancing to Zydeco. Clashing diversities, creating a perfect balance. I was raised from tree climbing as fast as a monkey, Junie B. Jones books, diving in the crisp cold water, swimming like a fish, wavy saltwater curls for days, P.S. spy agency, I was the best detective. I solved everyone's problems but my own. I was raised in a little red house, awakening to Barney every morning, singing, "I love you, you love me, we're a great big family," which is what we were striving for, yet 3 separations, 2 divorces. But they kept trying. I was all that mattered. Marriage, divorce, remarriage, divorce. But now it stops here. I'm too old to motivate to hold oil and vinegar together.